I'm going to pick my pepper plants for an ornament party I'm going to. Let's pick this one real quick. There. Got all my red. They're cayenne peppers, I believe. Two. And just pick it up for the ornament party, like I said. I've got four. I have four. And I'm just pick it up for the red. There's a few red ones and a few green ones. That's why I thought they'd be cute for Christmas stuff. And got however many I just counted. So far, I've gotten a few in total. I honestly don't know how many. I've gotten 3 more out of this. Pause the video to be faster. And then, oh no, 6, 7. That's just terrible. No. Why? It's a literal 6 and a literal 7. They're both red too. No, I just, that's the rest of the peppers I'm going to pick. But that's crazy.